Hello friends, my name is Arshka and today I am going to tell you how to make Teacher's Day card. So in this card is only suitable for your science teacher because it is based around globes, science experience, etc. So I suggest you to make this card for your science teacher. And this card is very nice and I am damn sure that you will like it. So let's start making it. For that you need Fevicol, a piece of white paper on which I have written first painted over here and written excellent from permanent marker, and from paint I have written here teacher. Then yellow foam sheet on which I have made a scale, black tape, globe I have colored it, create like this you can make thoughts. So let's start making it. First you need to take your tape, so now we have done this. Now you need to take this excellent teacher and paste it over here like this. Now here I am pasting my glue. Now how is it looking? Very nice, no? I am also seeing this. It is very nice. So I thought you would have liked this a lot because it's so nice. You can see. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click on the bell icon for the notifications of all the videos, and you can watch the earlier video also of my Teacher's Day card. Thank you.